And then that time we bring their box in. That's the spring-loaded ramp that the dogs would do if the jump pipe signal vary. It's very basic principle, 4 dogs running relay, and the first team to get all 4 dogs home without any fault wins the race, or wins the leg rather, and races are run with the best of 5 legs. Starts and stops the clock. And it also acts as a carer beam so that they can tell the direction that the dog is running through the gate, so that they can also tell you whether there's an early changeover or not, i.e. whether the outgoing dog goes through the gate before the previous dog has to return through. And that's also a fault. Finally, the green light is when the clock starts, so they're aiming to get the dog's nose through the start gate just exactly as that centre green light comes on. And then after